plus abandoned dogs. Here in the car once again. Actually, can't believe it's been 3 weeks already. But it has been, and we are now on our way once again to Boynton to Southeast Veterinary Neurology. And about to come to a complete stop. Again, we are on our way to Southeast Veterinary Neurology with Mario for his 23rd cytosar infusion treatment. He's had a little leg shaking episodes and like slipping lately. I know that's part they don't see that as a big deal. But when we get there, he will be looked over by the doctor that is there today. The last couple of times we've gone, his doctor, Dr. Adams, has not been there. But they have such a great team. So there's been times where Dr. Reese has looked at him. There's been times when Dr. Webb has looked at him. There's another doctor, a woman doctor, I cannot remember her name, who has seen him the last couple of times. So that's the great thing about this hospital is all of the doctors work kind of as a team, so everybody knows each other's patients, so they can examine and look back at the notes and make a determination on how he's doing. And then as long as everything is good, you know, they check his vitals, make sure he has no fever, make sure everything's good. He will then start the infusion treatment, which lasts 8 hours. So he'll stay there all day, hooked up to the IVs for 8 hours, and then I will go back and pick him up at 6 o'clock or around 6 o'clock, depending on when they get started, depending on when I get there with traffic. I think there was an accident on the turnpike. So depending on when I get there and then when they can actually get him started after they examine him, then it goes 8 hours from there. So usually it's sometime between 6 and 7 o'clock, just depending on the time frame. Then he'll come home, he'll have his dinner and his meds, and then he will pass out for the night. Again, we are on our way now, and this is his 23rd infusion. He's been getting them for over a year, every 3 weeks, and these treatments are what brought his eyesight back in one eye and keep his vision in that eye. If we were to stop them, he would absolutely lose his vision, and then we would probably lose him very quickly. So these treatments are what is saving his life and keeping him here for possible to ensure that he can be with us for as long as possible. Hey, buddy. Yes. That's my baby boy. So I do have the donate button on this video. Guys, if you could please make a donation towards Mario's treatment today. It is quite costly. It's about $600 or just over $600. I don't remember the exact amount, but that's even with the discount. It is just a very, very costly procedure, but it's something that is a necessity and something that he needs every 3 weeks. On top of his medications that he takes, and also his blood draws that he gets every 4 weeks. It is costly for Mario's ongoing care to keep him here with us for as long as possible. And you're strapped in, so you can't come over here. Okay. So thank you guys for everybody who has donated or who will donate between now and later when I go pick him up. We really try hard to get at least his treatment covered on the day of his treatment, because we have so many other bills as well. Oh boy, here we go again. We're stopping. And as I said, this is what is keeping Mario here with us. This is what is keeping him as happy and healthy as we can keep him. So thank you for everybody that has donated. I, of course, will update you guys when I get back to pick him back up later tonight. You okay, bud? Oops, sorry guys, the traffic just came to a halt. And I am just stopped on the turnpike now. So, again, sorry guys. Just trying to pay attention to the road. But again, thank you so much for everybody who's donated. Please consider making a donation towards Mario's treatment today and his ongoing care and our ongoing mission. Mario would not be here if it wasn't for all of you and your help and your donations. So thank you very much. Again, I will update later when I come pick him up. I'm going to sign off now and try to figure out what's happening on the road, and if I have to try to get off the turnpike. Okay guys, this is Tiffany with Mario. Of course, Cloud is in the back, not feeling well. This is 100 Plus Abandoned Dogs of Everglades, Florida, and thank you guys again.